Do you ever wonder why exercise is important? Let's break it down together. Think of your body like a car. Just like a car needs fuel and maintenance, your body needs exercise to run well. There are three main parts to fitness: strength, endurance, and flexibility. Let's explore each one. Strength helps you lift things, endurance lets you run or play longer, and flexibility helps you move easily. So, to recap, fitness means keeping your body strong, active, and flexible, just like taking care of your car. You can apply this by finding fun ways to be active, like dancing or playing a sport. What's your favorite way to move?